In a variable ratio rack, the gear teeth are replaced with a linear rack that has a varying tooth profile along its length. This allows for the creation of a gear system with a continuously changing gear ratio. The gear ratio is determined by the position along the rack rather than number of teeth, as in traditional gears. To design a variable ratio rack, you would typically follow these steps. Determine the range of gear ratios. Ratio rack should provide. This will depend on the specific application and the desired speed or torque variations. Define the tooth profile. The dimensions of the teeth on the variable ratio rack. The tooth profile can be designed to achieve the desired gear ratios across the range. Various tooth profiles can be used, such as involute, cycloidal, or custom profiles depending on the specific requirements. Calculate the gear ratio at different positions along the rack. This can involve analyze to determine the gear ratio at distance along the rack. In the tooth profile and its interaction with a mating gear or pinion. Prototype and testing. Create a prototype of the variable ratio rack and test its performance. Verify the actual gear ratios at different positions and make any necessary adjustments to optimize the design. Manufacturing. Once the design is finalized and validated, the variable ratio rack can be manufactured using appropriate manufacturing techniques, such as machining or additive manufacturing. It's important to note that designing a variable ratio rack can be a complex calculation, advanced and lubrication. Said engineering knowledge and gear design expertise are often required to ensure the rack's reliable and efficient performance. Additionally, the design and manufacturing of a variable ratio rack may vary depending on the specific application and requirements. Consulting with a mechanical engineer or a specialized gear design professional is recommended to ensure the best results for your specific needs.